I think it's all.
As you will see before yourself, that there are different centers at the different level of the body, and all these centers denote our different stages of our evolution. These centers cannot be seen. They are subtle centers placed in the medulla oblongata, means in the spinal cord, and also in the brain. As I told you yesterday, that God has created us for the purpose, and the whole thing has been done very beautifully, with great compassion, care. It's done very delicately, and all these centers denote within us a kind of a growth that has been manifesting one after another. But at the human stage, we are still in the transition stage, because we do not know the meaning of our life. The meaning of our life will only be known when we become connected with that power which has created us, the power that has evolved us, the power that desired for our creation, that activated for our creation, and the one that evolved us. These three powers are indicated in those three lines. The left side is the power of desire, which looks after the past, the subconscious and the collective subconscious, and the another one which activates is on the right hand side, which looks after the action, the activation, the creation, up to the stage when life started taking its form. Then comes in the carbon atom. Carbon atom is a very important pivotal element that was created at a point where it had 4 valencies which it could depart or could receive. This came as a special catalyst, we can say, which started creating life. Now, the life was created, but after creating that life, as a unicellular animal, we had to become human beings. The chairs do not grow, this hall will not grow, nothing is going to grow which is dead. But whatever is living grows and evolves. We have become human beings at a stage where that center is near the neck, where we have raised our neck up, where the animals put their head up. A new system started building up within themselves, by which a crossing took place, and this crossing of the energies created these 2 pouches called ego and superego. Because there was no outlet. The animals have both the feet and both the hands on the ground. It comes from the hind legs and goes through the 4 legs. But in the human beings, when he raised his head, then a new system developed within him, by which he created ego. When he worked, when he took action, through his mental and his physical capacities, he developed a system called ego. This rises, and the superego at the animal stage is pressed back, and when both of them combine on top of your head till about the age of 12 years, the calcification takes place and you become yourself. You become completely independent. The I-ness develops. That means you become like an egg. Now you are a separate entity, a free entity, which can work out the left and the right side, which is like a brake and the accelerator of a car, and learn how to use them to develop balance within you by making mistakes, by experimenting. You develop your wisdom in the center. Sometimes the human beings go to the extremes, as I told you yesterday, how they go onto the right side into the extremes and what diseases they develop and what problems they develop. In the same way I told you a day earlier that when you go to the left, how you develop your problems of emotional side, and even a disease like cancer comes to you from the left extremes. We are here to be resurrected and redeemed, and that is what is Sahaja Yoga. Sahaja Yoga not only counsels you, tells you all about it, it gives you the redemption and a comfort that is from the sins and from the worries of life. This is what is Sahaja Yoga. Please ask questions if you have any, please. Otherwise we start with the realization program. Yes, my Jack.
The man who introduced you spoke of your offer of immediate realization, and I'll admit being surprised in hearing that offer. Could you go into more detail about that, please? I was surprised about the immediate aspect of it. I thought realization was meant to require long and hard work.
You have to work very hard. You thought that. Alright, it's a good idea because all of us think that way. Nothing new. Everybody thinks that how can you get it so easily? You do get it, no doubt, but how? Maybe I know the trick. Must be something special about me. I'm supposed to do this. I know it. Alright? But I have to deliver the goods. I have to. Say I'm a banker and I've got the key with me, which I have to return to you. That's all.